there are 4 specific ways that aromatherapy can help you. So, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, energetic. The 4 ways that it's going to help you is number 1, physiology. So, physically, it's going to be able to support the body to be more mobile, to be more flexible, to allow the body systems to communicate with each other, to allow for communications on a physical level. Psychologically, it's helping with the communication system and the messaging system. It requires circuitry in the body to send the right neurotransmitters to the brain so that we can have whatever it is we need to have emotional stability. So psychologically, we are going to see improvements through the use of aromatherapy for mental health and emotional health. Number 3 is biochemical. That sounds like a big word and very intimidating, but what biochemical means is neurotransmitter health, hormone health, and metabolism health. And for some of you, I am seeing the light bulbs going off. Metabolism, wait, that's weight management. Yes, it is. But with weight management, we can't talk about weight management without talking about hormone health and neurotransmitter health. And so we have physical things that happen in the body that we need to support and strengthen so that it can find its balance. There's things we need to do to support the mental faculties because we know healing starts in the mind. And so we really have to have our head strong and have our belief system in alignment with our potential. Oftentimes we talk about what we can't do and we forget to shift that into what I can do. Because when you focus on the can and that you are capable and you are strong enough and you are enough and you are worthy, that shifts your energy to align more so that we have strong mental health and emotional health. Then we have biochemicals. So we need the right neurotransmitters in the right amount sent to the right places at the right time. So we have, we need to make sure the dopamine goes where it needs to go and our acetylcholine is balanced. We need to make sure enough serotonin can make its way from the gut to the brain so that we have a rhythm going on. And there is tons of science out there showing that when the circadian rhythm is off, it's causing a whole host of neurotransmitter issues. We know when your olfactory system is not working as well, so you can't smell as well. You have either hyponosmia, limited sense of smell, or anosmia, which is no sense of smell. We know that that can affect cognitive functions, mental and emotional functions. And so when we smell our essential oils and we use it in an aromatherapy, a scent therapy, it can activate the right neurotransmitters to go do their job. Also with hormone balance and with metabolism, right? And then number 4 is energetic. Have you ever been around somebody and you're like, oh, I just don't think they're in a good mood. And you ask them, hey, are you okay? And they're like, yep, fine. They're not fine. You know that. You feel it. So you get a sense, right? That's energetic. That's when you are in alignment with your intuition, right? So the goal with aromatherapy is to align your cognitive functions, your head, your heart with all these physical things going on, and your gut with all of, the energetics that are going on through the messaging system, which is the biochemicals that are being sent and transmitted throughout the body. So this is the 4 ways that aromatherapy can help you. So when you are assessing that for yourself, what do you take with this nugget of information I'm giving you? Hey, what's going on in your body? What's right? What's not right? And how can we formulate a blend for you to get you back into balance, to balance out those imbalances so that you feel happy and healthy and productive and flexible and mobile and on top of the world, right? So you want to learn and listen to yourself. Listen to what's going on in your body, and then let's assess which of these 4 areas am I falling short. Is it all 4? Is it 1, 2, 3? And then we match up the right remedy to that. We match up the right essential oils that are going to balance out those imbalances within those areas. So just as a little nugget into understanding the power of aromatherapy, what it can do for you, how it's doing it, so that you can better choose A, the right remedy to help yourself, or B, let me help you find those right remedies that can balance whatever's going on and get you back on top of your game, right? We all need to be, as best as we can be with the highest quality of life. We deserve that. And the longer you stay stuck and the longer that you stay stagnant, I'm like, I'll get to it tomorrow. I'll work on me next week. I'll work on me next month. No, you need to work on you right now because you are worth it. So grab your oils, smell them in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will just keep on getting healthy together, right? Have a healthy day, everybody.